Uthii wa Nambere.
For a period of 6 years in which they were able to do urban infrastructure.
Kuringana na Niaruguritie thirikari cia kaunti makorwo makiiga Keri kina kiria gikuhuthika na njira nene hari ukuria wa Matura.
It is critical that county governments prioritize the establishment of full-fledged urban institutions with robust governance and management. Again, I heard Hansen say clearly that they are also going to use resources to support the governance of these cities.
Akiongera ni thirikari nene ni irehete mubango wa nyumba cia raithi iria cigwĩtĩkĩria Akenya bũrũri-inĩ makĩria arĩa marĩ gĩkĩro gĩa thĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũkũrehe ũkũria wa Matura na kuongerera ũtonga wa bũrũri.
Program under our bottom-up economic transformation agenda is unmistakable. In particular, the program's alignment with the affordable housing strategy pillar presents a unique opportunity to invest in urban infrastructure that supports the realization of the affordable housing objectives in order to deliver holistic, sustainable, and inclusive urban development.
Ona kuri uguo Ruto niugite thirikari nihotete guthondeka iganda icigo itiganite cia bũrũri iria cigũkorwo igĩteithĩrĩria Akenya harĩ ũthondeki wa indo cia ũrĩmi, ũndũ ũrĩa augite nĩ ũkũhe mbeũ njĩthĩ mawĩra hamwe na kũgacĩrithia ũrĩmi bũrũri-inĩ.
And I think we should encourage townships, municipalities, cities, because that way we not only remove pressure from land for agricultural production, but we also bring Kenyans into a space where we deal with the challenge of ethnicity that undermines our nationhood as a people.
Akĩkĩrĩria nĩonanĩtie ũrĩa thirikari ĩhotete gũthondeka mũbango mwerũ wa ũkũria wa Matura ni Rule 5 Economic Zone makĩria taũni-inĩ ya Thika Sana na Ikuru Naivasha hamwe na Busia.
Make sure that these municipalities have some measure of autonomy for them under your supervision to make sure that they deliver on the program that you give to them. It is really a mark of very strong leadership if you can assign other people to do the job at that other level. Of course, still under your management and supervision.
Hadi Niaruguritie, Gedi Kimori, Wagatatu.